Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a headlight on a Dodge Dart. First, gather your tools, including a ratchet, appropriate sockets, and your new headlight bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is set for safety. Then, open the hood to gain clear access to the headlight assembly. This preparation step is crucial for a smooth replacement process. Next, you'll need to remove the headlight assembly. Locate the two retaining bolts, usually at the top, and remove them with your ratchet. Gently pull the entire headlight assembly forward. It should unclip from its mounting points. Once it's free, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old headlight bulb. This provides full access to the bulb itself. Now it's time to replace the bulb. Twist the old bulb counterclockwise to release it from its socket and carefully pull it out. Take your new bulb, holding it by its base, and insert it into the housing. Twist it clockwise until it feels secure. Remember, avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to your new bulb. Carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its original position, ensuring it clicks into place. Reinstall the two retaining bolts to secure it firmly. Before closing the hood, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. Also, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.